Hi friends, Erica here, back with day 6 of the 31 days of spooky scraps. Today's prompt is not a crow. It's home decor and mugs, and I have the most talented Sandy Riversky joining me on YouTube and Instagram, so please check her out. Links are in my info box. Send her some spooky love. Today I am also playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. If you are interested in finding out more, definitely check out her channel. Today I'm documenting a few photos of some home decor around my house. I absolutely love decorating for Halloween. Everyone has their own style, and for me, I definitely like the more, I don't want to necessarily say more old school or antique, but more realistic, I guess, side of Halloween. I love little potion bottles and skulls, and don't get me wrong, I definitely have a couple of cutesy Halloween things around the house, but for the most part, I have stuck with this theme. So I'm using the same paper pad I did yesterday, which is, I believe, Craft Smart Mystic Moon, and I absolutely love it because it definitely fits with my home decor style. And I love that I'm able to find a couple of pieces that I can just fussy blade out and create my own embellishments. So in the original sketch, there were 3 photos just like this with the middle bar going down, and then there is a bar going horizontally. So I'm not exactly quite sure how I'm going to put my spin on it. So in the meantime, I'm just inking around all of my photos, my vertical bar, as well as the little doodads. I fussy bladed out. I believe I'm gonna also be cutting out a moon later on, and just backing this onto some black cardstock because it looked a little bit lonely today, and I know that I personally am breaking a rule of mine and leaving my photos not backed. Well, they're matted, but they're not backed with any additional paper, and I don't know, it just felt right. So at this point, I'm starting to really try to narrow down how I'm going to attack this horizontal bar. And I think I'm going to pick this bright green, hush you, this bright green and this star paper. And no matter how I try to organize it, it just, I don't know, I don't like it. But then I start thinking, what if I make a flag banner? That's kind of home decor-ish and kind of easy to make. So I'm just taking a ruler and my craft knife and cutting it out. And I want to be really careful because I don't want it to look too hokey, but I'm thinking it looks a little carnival, like freak show-ish. So hopefully that's what that's what it turns out to be. So you know what, decide I don't like the green, so I flip it over and instead use the type side, which I like a whole lot better. It definitely brings the skulls in the background out. Seriously, dude, I'm trying to record a video over here. If you couldn't tell, I'm in my backyard. So I'm mounting the flag, the top layer, with some foam adhesive, and I think that arcing it up will give it a little bit of motion. But then I see this branding strip, the green one with the moons on it, and I just thought it would be perfect to add a little bit, well, to be like the joining strip, the string, the flag banner strip, string, yarn, you know what I mean. So I did have to change the direction of that flag banner, but that's okay. I still like how it turned out. So lastly, I'm just adding my alphas, and that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, but most of all, I hope it inspired you, gave you a little bit of spooky fun today. If you decide to play along with us, please use the hashtag 31 days of spooky scraps so you can see your beautiful work. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!